Alright, now we want to show you how to change a water tank gasket on a Seiko machine. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the water tank. Then we're going to grab a regular spoon. We're going to pop this gray cap off. Like this. And under here you'll see the rubber gasket. Now it's very important to put this gasket the right way. You want to put the flat spot up. Then we're going to grab a new one. This is the new gasket. We're going to place it in here. With the flat part up, as you can see there. Then all you have to do is place this back on. Snap it in place. Now you're good to go.